because this kind of bias against men in the court system cannot be allowed to stand. There are too many reasons why children must have their fathers in their lives. When boys in particular don't have fathers in their lives, they're much more likely to get entangled with the legal system, to become drug addicts or alcoholics. They're much more likely to become homeless. Having a strong male role model for a young man is critical to his long-term, not just survivability, but his success, his entire life. So when a judge makes a biased decision in a courtroom that sentences a son to live without his father, or, we all talk about women and their daddy issues, or sentences a little girl not to have access to her dad, he is setting in motion a set of circumstances that's going to play out for generations. That for generations, this family is going to be damaged. We need to change that. We need to hold these judges accountable. We need to put in place laws that don't allow that level of subjectivity, that hold that man, that judge, that woman, whoever she is or he is, to the letter of the law, so that dads get at least 50% custody in most of the cases, unless there is some hard evidence that there was, domestic violence. So we need to just change the structure of our family court system. And it doesn't happen unless people get involved, unless people put pressure on legislators, unless people will not stand up, will not put up with the child abuse by the court system, because that's what it ends up being. It turns into a type of child abuse that is taxpayer funded and implemented through family courts.